Hey guys, Amy Jo here with DCTC. On today's episode, we'll be showing you our new Peppa Pig Wind and Wobble Playhouse. Here is what the playset looks like out of the box. Comes with one Peppa Weeble. This is part of the Weebles series of the Peppa Pig toys, and look, it looks like Peppa has already gotten muddy. She's got some mud on her shirt. So let's take a closer look at what this playset does. So the little playground itself is very cute. There's a tree and a little tiny mud puddle for Peppa and her friends to play in. And can you see this curvy slide right here? That looks like fun. Here's the back, and there's two little spots for the Weebles to sit, so Peppa can have some friends come play with her. And I do not know what this does. This is some type of a conveyor belt, and we'll have to put Peppa and some of her friends on that and see what happens. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like when you turn this piece goes up and down. So, whoa, Peppa looks pretty excited there, doesn't she? So maybe we will get some of Peppa's friends and check this thing out. Oh, here come some of Peppa's friends now. It's Danny Dog and Emily Elephant. Well, they look excited to see each other, don't they? Emily, Danny, I'm so glad you're here. Let's go play. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Ooh, there goes Danny Dog. Oh my goodness, look at Emily. Be careful, Emily! Oh, that's really crowded now on the merry-go-round. Uh-oh, there's only room for two. It looks like Emily hopped off the back near the swing. Help! I'm stuck back here. Let's help Emily by moving her to the swing. There, that's better. Now we'll turn the flower, and Danny and Peppa can spin around on the merry-go-round. That was loads of fun, but I'd rather play in the mud. What about you, Danny and Emily? Would you like to play in the mud too? Uh-oh. This little muddy puddle is too small for Peppa and all of her friends. We need to make a big mud puddle right in the front. So let's get some brown Play-Doh. There's one muddy puddle. Let's make one more. Yay! Now everybody has a room to play in the mud. Oh my goodness, look how muddy Peppa and her friends are. Oh boy, look at Peppa on top of the playhouse. Be careful, Peppa. Be careful, Emily. Oh no, Emily fell. But it looks like she's okay. Let's watch Danny Dog go down the curly slide. Oh. Let's watch that again. Here he comes. Whoa! Uh-oh. You have to wait your turn, Peppa. It looks like Peppa wants to swing. Whoa! That is some kind of crazy slide. Okay guys, I think it's time for Emily and Danny and Peppa to go take a bath. I hope that you enjoyed this Peppa Pig video, and if you did, that you will click on the like button. For more fun videos, check out our channel, and if you like what you see, we hope that you will join our club by clicking on the subscribe button. This is Disney Cars Toy Club. Thanks for watching.